Hi, this is Mariappa from Abhamanch University.
In this session today, we will learn how to diagnose a vehicle, means how to identify the problems present in the vehicle, and then how to generate a report for our diagnosis using OBD or ECU scanner. Let's get into the session.
Today we are in Aicha Garage, Savla Town, a very reputed mechanic in Savla Town. They are the one going to provide ECU scanner for us. Thank you.
Let's explore its features before connecting to the vehicle.
So this is the home page button, and here we have arrow keys to surf across the menu, and OK button, selection button, and a previous page button. This is the diagnostic connector. It will be connected with the vehicle DLC connector, and we have the power button here, and this port is a charging port. Let me switch on the scanner by pressing the power button. A long press. A long press switches on and off the scanner, and a short press power offs the display alone. So now the home page has appeared. So here we have the diagnose option. It will work when we connect the DLC cable with the vehicle, and the OBD2 option, and IM option, inspection and maintenance option, which gives the short access to the OBD2, and then reset battery voltage. Here you can check the battery voltage. Then data option. Here we have the past record and the diagnostic report, the DTC library, and the scan shots, previous scan shots, all we have here. And then this is the mall option, provides you to buy new software or new data sets, and the upgrade option provides the option to upgrade the existing data sets. And here we have the setting. You can change the units, of measurement, then screen capture, automatic detection, on and off. You can dim and bright the display, increase this volume, and connect it to the Wi-Fi. So all kind of basic settings you can do it here. And here uh, see screen capture. If I switch it on, you can notice a camera symbol appeared here. So this will be very useful whenever you are scanning the ECU, whenever you are scanning the ECU or connecting with the OBD. You can take the snapshot by clicking this icon. Right, the screenshot is captured, and this one you can move it anywhere. You can keep it anywhere in the display, based on according to your convenience. You can keep it anywhere in the screen. A short press switches off only the display, right, and a long press power off. Long press is used to power off. Right, now it is switched off. Let's check our ECU scanner in this car today.
The vehicle's DLC circuit is available here. Connect the one end of the DLC connector here and the other with the scanner.
Yes, it is now connected. If you see, as we connected, it automatically detects it. It checks the VIN first, vehicle identification number first. So sometimes if it doesn't work, if the automatic function doesn't work, we have to manually feed the VIN number, but here it's not required. If I just switched on once again, then it will automatically connect.
So, as the vehicle is connected to the scanner, it immediately generates a health report automatically. So here, in the meantime, let's check the dashboard of the vehicle, whether any abnormalities are shown in the dashboard. So now the scanner is in the process of identifying the vehicle. It identified the vehicle. So it's in the process of now generating the health report. In the meantime, we can check the dashboard. So there are two abnormalities here. One is the tire pressure sensor and another one is the traction related sensor problem. Let's check whether the same problems are shown here in the health report. And please note one more point, that we are not rectifying any problems here. We are just identifying the problem using this scanner. Yes, the abnormalities are shown here. A mechanic can fix these problems. So, this is the way you can diagnose a vehicle and generate health report. And in further sessions, we will learn the other parts also, like OBD, IM readiness, data streaming. As of now, thank you all. Thanks for watching. Thank you.